Welcome to our channel, where we embark on an exciting journey to explore the captivating beauty and rich heritage of Oman, a gem nestled in the heart of West Asia. In this series, we'll take you on a virtual tour of Oman's diverse regions, from the majestic peaks of the Al Hajar Mountains to the sun-kissed shores of the Arabian Sea. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of Oman's past, from its days as a maritime empire to the modern sultanate it is today. Subscribe now and embark on an unforgettable journey of discovery with us. Let's explore Oman together. Geographic location. Oman is situated in West Asia, occupying the southeastern corner of the Arabian Peninsula. It shares borders with the United Arab Emirates to the northwest, Saudi Arabia to the west, and Yemen to the southwest. The Arabian Sea lies to its south and east, while the Gulf of Oman borders its northeast. Historical significance. Oman has a rich historical heritage dating back thousands of years. It was a hub for maritime trade, with its strategic location along important trading routes connecting the Middle East, Africa, and Asia. Throughout history, Oman's fortunes were shaped by its maritime prowess, with Omani sailors navigating the Indian Ocean and establishing trade links with distant lands. Cultural diversity. Omani culture is a mosaic of influences from Arabia, Persia, Africa, and the Indian subcontinent. This cultural amalgamation is reflected in various aspects of Omani life, including cuisine, language, music, and architecture. Despite modernization, Oman has preserved its cultural traditions, with festivals, ceremonies, and customs continuing to play a significant role in society. Natural beauty. Oman is renowned for its diverse and picturesque landscapes. From the towering peaks of the Al Hajar Mountains to the vast deserts of the Empty Quarter, Oman offers a range of breathtaking scenery. The country is also home to pristine beaches, verdant oases, and ancient wadis, valleys, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Economic development. Oman's economy has traditionally been reliant on oil and gas exports, but the government has been actively diversifying into sectors such as tourism, manufacturing, and logistics. The Sultanate's strategic location, coupled with its stable political environment, has attracted foreign investment and facilitated economic growth. Political stability. Oman is a monarchy with Sultan Haytham bin Tariq Al Said as its ruler. The country has maintained political stability and a peaceful foreign policy, earning it a reputation as a reliable partner in the region. Sultan Qaboos bin Saeed Al Said, who ruled Oman for nearly 5 decades until his passing in 2020, is credited with modernizing the country and fostering its development. Infrastructure development. Oman has invested heavily in infrastructure projects to support its economic diversification efforts and enhance connectivity within the country and beyond. Major developments include modernizing transportation networks, expanding port facilities, and investing in renewable energy initiatives to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Future prospects. As Oman looks to the future, it faces both opportunities and challenges. The government aims to further diversify the economy, improve education and healthcare systems, and create employment opportunities for its growing population. By leveraging its natural resources, strategic location, and cultural heritage, Oman seeks to position itself as a dynamic and prosperous nation in the heart of West Asia. Strategic importance. Situated at the southeastern edge of the Arabian Peninsula, Oman holds a strategic position at the mouth of the Persian Gulf. Its proximity to key maritime routes has historically made it a vital hub for trade between the Middle East, Africa, and South Asia. The country's ports, including the port of Salalah and the port Sultan Qaboos in Muscat, continue to play a crucial role in facilitating international trade and maritime activities. Political dynamics. Oman is a monarchy governed by Sultan Haytham bin Tariq Al Said, who succeeded Sultan Qaboos bin Said Al Said following his passing in 2020. Under Sultan Qaboos' reign, Oman experienced significant political stability and diplomatic engagement, often playing a mediating role in regional conflicts. The country maintains friendly relations with neighboring states and strives to promote peace and cooperation in the Gulf region and beyond. Socioeconomic progress. Despite its arid climate and limited natural resources compared to some of its Gulf neighbors, Oman has made significant strides in economic development and social progress. The government has implemented policies to diversify the economy, improve infrastructure, and invest in education and healthcare. Efforts to empower Omani women and enhance job opportunities for youth are also underway, contributing to the country's overall socio-economic advancement. Regional dynamics. As a member of the Gulf Cooperation Council, GCC, and the Arab League, Oman actively participates in regional affairs and initiatives aimed at promoting economic integration and security cooperation among Gulf states. The country has pursued a policy of non-interference and neutrality in regional disputes, maintaining a balanced approach to foreign relations while safeguarding its sovereignty and independence. Overall, Oman's strategic location, stable governance, and commitment to socio-economic development position it as an important player in the geopolitics of West Asia. With its rich history, diverse culture, and forward-looking vision, Oman continues to chart a course towards prosperity and progress in the dynamic landscape of the Arabian Peninsula. Cultural heritage. Oman's cultural heritage is a testament to its ancient roots and historical significance. The country boasts a rich tapestry of traditions, art forms, and customs that have been preserved and passed down through generations. Visitors to Oman can explore archaeological sites such as the UNESCO-listed Bala Fort, witness traditional ceremonies like the camel races and sword dances, and marvel at the intricate designs adorning mosques and other architectural wonders. Omani culture is characterized by its emphasis on hospitality, honor, and respect for elders, fostering a sense of community and belonging among its people. Environmental conservation. Oman is committed to preserving its natural environment and biodiversity for future generations. The Sultanate has established protected areas and nature reserves, such as the Arabian Oryx Sanctuary and the Ras Al Jinns Turtle Reserve, to conserve endangered species and fragile ecosystems. Efforts to promote sustainable tourism and environmental awareness are underway, with initiatives focusing on conservation education, eco-friendly practices, and the preservation of marine habitats along the country's extensive coastline. Religious tolerance. Oman is known for its tolerance and respect for religious diversity, where people of different faiths coexist harmoniously. Islam is the predominant religion practiced by the majority of Oman's population, but the country also welcomes followers of other faiths, including Christianity, Hinduism, and Buddhism. Places of worship, such as mosques, churches, and temples, are respected and protected, reflecting Oman's commitment to religious freedom and pluralism. Interfaith dialogue and cooperation are encouraged, fostering mutual understanding and unity among Oman's multi-religious society. In conclusion, this video journey through Oman has offered a glimpse into the country's captivating beauty, rich cultural heritage, and remarkable achievements. From the rugged mountains to the tranquil coastlines, from the bustling souks to the ancient forts, Oman's diverse landscapes and vibrant culture have left an indelible impression on us. We've learned about Oman's historical legacy, its strategic importance in the region, and its commitment to socio-economic progress. We've marveled at the warmth and hospitality of the Omani people, experienced the flavors of Omani cuisine, and immersed ourselves in the rhythms of traditional music and dance. As we come to the end of this exploration, I want to express my gratitude to each and every one of you for joining me on this journey and supporting my channel. Your engagement and enthusiasm inspire me to continue sharing stories of discovery and adventure from around the world. Remember, the beauty of Oman awaits your visit, and I encourage you to explore its wonders firsthand. Until then, thank you for watching, and may your own adventures be filled with joy, wonder, and unforgettable experiences. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. Your support means the world to me. I hope you enjoyed it and found it valuable. Stay tuned for more content coming your way soon. you have any feedback or suggestions, feel free to share them. Thanks again for your support.